Welcome back to Rev Ride, where we break down the latest two-wheelers in a clear and no-nonsense way. Today, we're talking about one of the most anticipated commuter upgrades of the year, the new 2026 Hero Splendor 150cc. Built on the legendary Splendor name, this model aims to deliver more power, better tech, and the same everyday reliability riders trust. A fresh take on a legendary name. The 2026 Hero Splendor 150cc carries forward the simple, practical design the Splendor is known for, but with a more muscular and modern presence. Sharper body lines, updated graphics, and a wider stance give it a premium commuter look. The bike still feels familiar, yet clearly more mature and road-ready for today's riders. 150cc engine and performance. At the heart of the new Splendor is a refined 150cc single-cylinder engine designed for smooth city riding and confident highway cruising. Power delivery is tuned for strong low and mid-range torque, making daily commuting effortless. Improved engine refinement helps reduce vibrations, while better fuel efficiency keeps running costs low, a key strength of the Splendor badge. Comfort and ride quality. Hero has focused heavily on comfort with the 2026 model. An upright riding position, well-padded seat, and balanced handlebar setup make long rides less tiring. The suspension setup is tuned for rough roads, absorbing bumps easily and keeping the ride stable even with a pillion. This makes the Splendor 150cc ideal for both city streets and rural routes. Features and technology. The new Splendor 150cc steps up in terms of features. A modern digital or semi-digital instrument cluster provides clear ride information. LED lighting improves visibility and gives the bike a fresh look. Added safety features such as improved braking performance and better grip tires enhance rider confidence in daily traffic, mileage, and practicality. Despite the bigger engine, Hero has maintained impressive mileage figures, making the bike economical for daily use. Low maintenance costs, wide service network availability, and affordable spare parts continue to be major selling points. This bike is designed to be dependable, not complicated. Final thoughts. The new 2026 Hero Splendor 150cc is a smart evolution of an iconic name. It offers more power, better comfort, and updated features while staying true to the Splendor's core values of reliability and efficiency. For riders looking for a practical yet upgraded commuter, this bike hits the sweet spot. Stay tuned with Rev and Ride for more latest bike reviews and updates.